Hello. Welcome to my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a Twitter next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold has shown big sharp decline yesterday. Okay. And now we can see that gold is trying to stabilize around 4850 area, but overall on the chart of gold the weakness can be seen. And when we were discussing about gold, okay, in a previous video, gold was trading somewhere around 5000 level, and as we all know 5000, okay, was acting as a magnet. Market was quite confusing around 5000 area, but now we can see that more or less, okay, the weakness is quite clear on the chart here. So if you are holding any sell position, you can hold your sell position as long as, okay, gold is trading below 4900. Okay, in case gold breaks 4900, then yes, things may get confusing again. But as of now, while recording the video, we can see that gold is weak. And if you're wondering what is the reason, okay, then you can see gold stabilizes after 6-day decline. Okay, gold prices steadied around 4830 per ounce on Thursday after a 6 straight decline, the longest losing streak since late 2024. As the Fed hawkish hold outweighed geopolitical risks, the Fed kept rates unchanged and signaled just one rate cut this year, with Jerome Powell stressing that easing hinges on clear progress in curbing inflation. Gold and silver fall as Fed keeps rates on hold. There was no changes on the rate cut, as a result of which we saw intense pressure on the chart of gold. Anyways, if you're a day trader, you must be liking it. Okay, and obviously gold was very much overbought as well. Okay, anyways, if let's look at a daily chart once. On a daily chart of gold, okay, we can clearly see the overall trend of market is still intact. So position traders, nothing to worry. Gold is still is in your favor. The market is very much bullish, but yes, for swing traders and day traders, you need to follow the current trend of the market. In our previous video, we discussed about the possibility of further correction because market was forming lower highs here. Okay, and we can see there is more potential for the market to go down. At least, okay, market should come down to 4800. There is a good possibility here. Okay. So those who are having a sell on gold right now can hold your sell position. Okay. Because the trend of the market, I won't say the market is extremely bearish, but yes, there is weakness on the chart. You can trail your stop loss and hold your sell position. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, yeah, you can see I have drawn many lines here on the chart. Okay, let's try to understand them one by one. So first level where you can look for a sell position is around 4900. It can be 4895 also. Okay, around this particular area here, okay, I feel that there is a possibility of a selling. Why? Because when market will be going up, the sellers present around 4900 round number, okay, they will try to push the market down again. So if market goes up also, I will suggest you not to go for a breakout buy, okay, initially, because there is a possibility that after some SL hunting, after some liquidity, so market will be coming down again. Remember, okay, we followed the same thing around 3-4 days ago. Okay, so again here also we may find a selling opportunity. So once market will hit 4895 observe the market. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. If market breaks also 4900, be patient, there is a possibility market will be coming down. So when market will be coming down again, we can look for a sell below 4900. The second selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 4950. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. So today I am not suggesting you any buy position here because I am a day trader, and as a day trader, okay, we need to be flexible. Right now market is on the seller's side, so we are looking for sell positions only. But if you're position traders where you hold your position for months and years, obviously you should only follow one strategy, that is buy at dip. Okay, and swing traders, okay, if you are having any sell, you can hold your sell position as long as gold is trading above 4900. Clear? Okay, now if market goes down from here, okay, as a day trader or scalper, you can look for buy around 4800 to, sorry, 4810. You can see the red line here. Okay, red line is the crucial level. Okay, why? Because it is the 4800 round number psychological support. So if market takes support around 4800, 4810, we can look for a buy position as a day trader. It means that okay, after pressing the buy button, you cannot forget that you had a position, because after 2 3 candles there is a possibility that market will be coming down again. Why? Because the structure of the market is weak right now, and as a day trader you need to be alert. Okay, so if market takes support around 4800, 4810, we can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? I think we can expect at least $10 to $15 move, means 100 to 150 pips. Okay, and after one bounce, yes, do not expect a market will take support and things will change. No, after one bounce there is a possibility market will be going down. So in case the selling pressure increases later on, we can also look for a sell below 4800. One level, two opportunities. When the volume is low, when market will approach 4800 for the first time, we can expect that market may take support, one bounce. But eventually, due to the ongoing weakness, when market will break 4800, we can also look for a sell below 4800 as well. Okay, but here I will suggest you, if you go for a sell position below 4800, okay, keep on trading your stop loss, because buyers around 4800 should not surrender that easily. Okay, there is a possibility that after a drop of $20 to $30, means 200 to 300 pips, okay, the buyers may try to take the market up again. See, right now we can see that there is, see, try to understand the logic here. See, right now we can clearly see there is weakness on the chart. Okay, weakness on the chart. But what is the overall trend here? The overall trend is bullish. Means there is a contradiction between the overall trend and the present trend. And gold is fundamentally bullish. Now we cannot deny it. Okay, why fundamentally bullish? Because the supply of gold is limited on our planet. Okay, so overall trend is bullish and current trend of the market is bearish. So at one point, the buyers in the market will take the market up. Okay, so if that happens today, you should not be trapped. To be honest, okay, I 70% of my trades are always on the buy side. So when I'm on the buy side, okay, I'm comfortable. But when I'm selling or when I'm on the sell side, I'm not very comfortable. I usually stay alert. Okay, so I will suggest the same thing for it, because I feel that around 4800 market may try to take support and buyers may try to take the market up. Okay, so you need to be alert. But as of now, okay, we can clearly see things are positive for sellers. So plan your trades accordingly. Okay, and please use stop loss, because if things get scary, okay, you should not lose all the profit that you made in the last 1 or 2 days. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.